Hey guys, in today's video I am going to show you these Jeep TJ door off mirrors. I'm going to review them in this video, but I'm also going to show you how to install them onto a Jeep TJ with the doors off or with the doors on, guys. These look amazing. I really like these, and I did figure out a way to get them on with the doors on, guys. Let's get into this video right away, everybody. Okay guys, so these mirrors look amazing. They are the nicest looking mirrors I could find for the Jeep TJ. So I do figure out how to get them on properly in this video. So the door opens and everything, just so you know you're on the right video here. Okay, it does say door off mirrors when you buy them. So naturally, what I thought that meant was you can put them on here, right? Which you can. So you take out this bolt and this bolt, right? You put it on like this, and then you have some nice door off mirrors. But the thing I didn't realize is they're literally door off mirrors. See what I mean? The door won't even open. If you put these on the way they tell you to put them on, you cannot open your door. So these can only go on if the doors are off, right? But I love the look of these so much, I figured out a way to put these on. So they do work. Check it out. So here it is. And I mean, these look so cool. I love the look of those. They make the whole Jeep, honestly. So check out the nice look of them. This is like a review and an installation. It totally works. It looks like it belongs. So I custom did this on my own. And check it out. Door opens. Everything works. You can access this screw here to tighten it. These two screws. It's on nice and solid. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how I did that. So in case you bought some and you're wondering how to put these on, well, I figured out a way, guys. Let's get into it right away. Okay, so like I said, originally, you would take these two bolts out, put them on like this, and then you got door off mirrors, which doesn't help me any because I want my doors to stay on, and I want these nice looking mirrors, right? So what I did is I just put the mirror right here on the door. It does work. I figured it out. So I lined up this part of the mirror. See this little line here? So I line that up with this line. See, and I'm gonna put it not like this, but just line it up like that. See, right there. Okay, so I'm gonna get a permanent marker and I'm gonna mark those two holes with it. Okay, see, I marked it just like that. So now I'm gonna get a little hole punch. See, just a little hole punch. So when I'm drilling the holes, they drill exactly where I want them to. So you just go like this. Boom, boom. Okay, see what I mean? Okay, so now we're gonna open the door, right? And on the inside here, see this rubber molding? Basically from here to about here, you just gotta pull it out. See, it just comes out. It's easy to put it in. It's easy to pull it out. So you pull it out so you don't drill through it. And you want access over here like this. So when you're drilling, make sure this is out of the way like that. Okay, so here's some of the bolts it came with. So this is the bolts we're gonna use. So I got a drill bit that's just a little bit bigger, basically the same size as those. So I'm gonna take this, take my drill, gonna open the door, move the rubber out of the way, and I'm gonna drill 2 holes right through the door frame. It is what it is, guys. That's the only way I was able to go from this to this super cool, awesome looking mirror setup. Very, very, very cool. Love that look. Okay, check it out. So I got the holes drilled, right? That's what they look like, and that's what they look like on this side. See, So there's a little bit of space there. It's not bad actually. Yeah, I did the other side, totally worked. So I'm gonna grab a little Q-tip, a little bit of paint, and I'm just gonna paint that to prevent it from rusting. I'm just using just whatever paint I got. You're not gonna see it anyways. So I'll do that really quick. All right, there it is. Okay, so now, this is what we gotta do now. So these came with it, but these I found in my drawer. So I got some nuts and bolts. So now, these are way too long, so we're gonna have to cut them. So, from that point there, see I already marked it, 1/2 inch. So you want it to be from there to there, 1/2 inch. So there's 1, 2, you could use a hacksaw, or you can use an angle grinder with a cutoff disc. You know, you could put that in a vise or hold it in some vise grips, safety goggles, eye protection, you know, all that. So I'm gonna cut that. It's pretty straightforward. So I'll do that. And the second thing we gotta do is these washers, they're too big. We need them to be a little bit skinnier. So what I'm gonna do is same thing. Grab this nut. I think I called it a washer, a nut. See, grab it like this. I'm gonna hold it in one hand, and then I'm gonna use the angle grinder to make it skinnier, that's all. First I'll do one side, right, and then I'll switch the vice grips over to the other side, and then I'll do the other side. So I'm gonna make both of these skinnier and both of these shorter, and then I'm gonna screw it in and out, make sure it works, and then they'll be able to go in there, there'll be room. So I'm gonna do that off camera right now. See what I mean? I'll still make it skinnier than that, but I'm gonna make it about half. Maybe a little bit more than half. Okay, so that's how you do that. See, just like that. So I'm gonna do the other half now, and the other nut. Okay. Okay. All right, let's go put them on. All right, guys, it is actually the next day. I ended up going to a bachelor party, but let's put this mirror on right now. Okay, so obviously, see, we're just gonna go like that, and we're gonna screw it on, okay? Let's do it. Okay, check it out. It is on. It looks awesome. So yeah, you tighten these, and there's a little bolt in there that prevents it from spinning once you set it. Yeah, it's on really good. Like, it ain't going nowhere. So now on the inside here, see, watch. Check it out. See? There's the 2 bolts. They're not even in the way of anything. See what I mean? So you can literally just put this rubber back, and that's it. It actually fits to go back. It doesn't even really affect anything. That's why I shaved the bolts down, to give it more room. So that is how you put these on, guys. Hopefully this video you guys enjoyed, and maybe you guys will even give me a subscription. And I got tons and tons and tons of videos on how to take like a normal looking Jeep and make it look like this. Look at this thing. It looks so good. So I got videos on all this stuff. Subscribe. Thanks. Bye.